everybody, it's Jeff again, and today we're going to be talking about a KINGGERI roof rack for the Tucson. Let's open up the box. First we'll show what we've got inside, okay? So we're going to open it up. There you go. Everything's nicely wrapped up. Everything's in plastic. These are the side pieces that mount it to the rails on the roof. And these are the pieces that go across. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to be quiet for a minute and I'm going to let you see me unwrapping all this stuff, and then we'll talk about it. So now, everything's unwrapped, and we'll start putting it together. So now I have all my parts laid out, and I just kind of want to go over a couple of things with you. The first thing is, you want to follow your instructions. Make sure you follow them and pay attention, because there are some nuances to this that you really have to pay attention to. Number one is, there's two surfaces on these, okay? There's a very, very thin surface, and then there's a thick surface. You can see that right here. You can see there's a thin side and there's a thick side. Right here it says front of vehicle. So you want to make sure that the thick side goes to the front of the vehicle. The other thing is, these are two different sizes, okay? The larger one goes to the front, the smaller one goes to the back. Now, there's an accessory bag. Inside the accessory bag, there's a wrench, okay? This wrench is 10 millimeters. Both sides, 10 millimeters. Then you have a second bag that has an Allen wrench, two keys, and some spare nuts, two nuts, one washer, and a screw. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this goes together. But one thing I want to tell you about first is, which will save you a lot of time, is to take the key, put it inside this, turn it, pull it off, and open all four of these first. You cannot leave the key in because it doesn't come out. You need to put it back in the lock position to pull out your key. So, you're gonna wanna do all those first, okay? And then we'll be back. So, I've removed all my stainless steel screws, and I just wanna say, these screws are stainless steel. They're not zinc coated or whatever, they're actual stainless steel screws. And you will notice that, like I told you before, there's a thick side and then there's a thin side. Well, there's two side pieces. There's a left side and there's a right side, as you can see. This one's left, this one's right. And they all correspondingly, we've got an airplane overhead, we've got corresponding sides. So this side is thick. You can see right here, it's thick. And this side is thick. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our thick side and insert it into this one side, this being the right side. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 screws, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to take those screws and put them into these holes. Okay, but you're not going to make them really, really tight. The reason being is you're going to have to slide this on your car to make it fit properly. So don't tighten the screws down all the way. Make them so that they can slide. And as you can see, you know this is an AI because I'm having problems putting the screws in. Okay, so we've got those 2 screws in. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to put the left one on. We'll do the same thing. And I'll be back when I get all the sides on. Okay, so now I've got them all put together. This is going to be the front one. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this wrench. And this wrench has a hole. I don't know if you can see this, but it goes all the way up, all the way on through. What you're going to do is you see these screws right here? What you're going to do is you're going to put it on these screws and you're going to loosen these screws, but don't take them off. Go just below, and you're going to do the same with this one. You're going to do that on all 4 sides, and I'm going to tell you the reason why. What you're going to do is when you unloosen those, when you loosen them up, it allows this to move back and forth. This is what's going to grab onto the rail of your top up here. So it's going to grab on. And something else I want to show you is these are not just steel, they've got rubber on them. So they won't damage the actual rail on your car. So I'm going to finish doing that, and the next thing you'll see is it'll be on top of my car and I'll be tuning it in. Okay, so now what we've done is we've undone these screws, and what we're going to do is we're going to drop. You can see these jaws are good on here. We're going to put this on here like you could see. So I'll do that one more time so you can see. Okay, so we're going to snap that on like this, and you also want to make sure that you're level, okay, so that the car is equal on this side as that side with the rack, and you also want to make sure that your thick part is in the front. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go in and you're going to tighten up these screws, okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do that on all 4 of these. And then what we're going to do is go underneath, and we're going to tighten the screws up under right here. Remember these screws underneath? We're going to tighten up these screws, make them good and tight. Then we're going to put the key on. So we'll be back after we tighten everything up and we're ready to put the key on. Okay, just want to make sure you guys know how to do the screws underneath. So let's watch how to tighten those. So you're going to use this key and you're going to tighten them up. Can you see that? I can't see it, but hopefully you can. We're going to tighten up this one. Okay, then we're going to go in. Hang on a second, let me match it up. We're going to screw this one in. Okay. Let me tighten that up. Okay, that's good and tight. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go in. We're going to slide this piece on because this is nice and tight. We're going to slide this in. And if I have the key in my pocket, which I do, we're going to take the key, put the key in, unlock it, lock it. And there you go. We're all done. This is the KINGGERI roof rack They sell 60% more product than any other roof rack company on the market today. All their products are really nicely finished. They do everything in-house, and I think it's a really, really good product. So until next time, bye-bye. Thanks again for watching. Please like, please follow, please share, and most of all, please subscribe. Through your subscriptions, it allows us to be able to bring you products like these. Thanks again. Bye-bye.